Hello, welcome to Last Food and Barbecue. So, it's time to restore another cast iron pot. I found this one at a flea market yesterday. I'm going to show you up close what it looks like. I do think it's got potential, and it's actually got a lid that is meant for it. But I'm going to bring you in close, and let's see how I'm going to do that on the kettle. First off, as you can see, I've lit 4 or 5 of those lighter cubes just to get this fire up really hot. And I'm going to do the lid and the pot next to each other, but that's for a little bit later because I need to work on the pot first. Okay, so this is what we have. The pot as such has got some flaking rust, and I think this is the old seasoning coming off. On the outside it looks pretty even, a little bit of the old seasoning here as well. I don't think this has been lying outside for that long. The lid has at least so far, no cracks, just some surface rust. And I'm just gonna use this little steel wool ball thing and just scrub at it in some regular water just to see what I can get off and what I can't get off. Okay, so let's see what I can do with this. It's a little bit sunny today, but I hope you're gonna see. So there we go. Let's just start. Okay, let's check this. This is already starting to look good. There is actually just surface rust on this. I found this, like I said, on a flea market, and I paid the equivalent of $9 for it. And I think that's going to be a really good price once I'm done. At least I hope so. Now I'm just going to work around the edges and around the whole surface. And this is going to take a bit, so I'll bring it back when I'm satisfied I've gotten everything off. So it's washed off. It's even got a little bit of grass on it. I'm gonna wipe that off. So this is what we have. It's rusty, but it's fairly even. The inside, it's got a tiny bit of the old seasoning on there. It's okay, I'm gonna leave that. Outside, same. It's not really gonna matter that much. I'm just gonna season it up. It's not gonna be a skillet. I'm gonna be using this on my kettle, so it will be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna put these on. I'm going to put them to the side because I don't really want them to get heated up too much. So the heat is going that way. Maybe I'm going to put them a little bit further to the side. Bring them up to temp. Okay, I'm going to bring you in closer, and then I'm going to show you the first couple of times I go over these. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of coconut oil. Just going to put a little bit on there. And then we're going to use some paper just to wipe this on. Get it everywhere if possible. And then we're going to start wiping this. Gonna use a pair of tongs, just wipe off the excess with the old shirt, and then we're gonna leave it on here until it starts or stops smoking. Actually, it's gonna be a little bit. I realized the grill is getting a little bit too hot to apply more, so now I've started to let them cool down a little bit on the side. When I apply more oil, just wipe it on. They're still warm, but they're not screaming hot anymore. There we go. I'm just gonna let that sit there for a little while, and then we're gonna wipe off the excess and put them up on the grill and let it kind of set in there. I regularly use canola oil for this, but I figured I was going to try out something new, so this time coconut oil it is. Okay, so wipe off the excess. There we go. Flip it over and do the inside. Another layer on there. Back on the grill they go. And like so. And then we're going to let them sit there until they stop smoking. Or I've done 7 layers, and I actually consider these to be done by now, but I will do one last run over. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, it's really hard. Anyway, it's starting to get a really shiny surface, more or less even, I would think. Anyway, I'm gonna cook in it and then we'll figure it out. Okay, let's wipe it down. Back on the grill. One more heat up. Then I'm gonna just smear a little bit of oil on there for protection, and then I'm done. See you in a bit. Okay, there we go. 8 coats. So I put them on the ground so it would be easier to see. And now I'm just gonna apply protective layer on here. So this is what we have. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow doing some chicken korma. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.